Namaste everyone, I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Imagine this. You just bought a brand new phone. Exciting, right? But your old phone had everything. Contacts, photos, WhatsApp chats, banking apps. And then it suddenly stops working. No backups, no time. Now think about your website. You followed every tutorial, clicked all the right buttons, and still, it's not working. You contact support and they just say, please check with your developer. Sounds familiar? Well, I've been there too. And honestly, it's frustrating. Until I made the switch to YouStable, trusted hosting partner that actually listens and helps. And the best part? When you're on YouStable, their lightning fast cPanel makes this whole process smooth as butter. No server timeouts, no weird errors, just clean and easy importing in minutes. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to import your database using phpMyAdmin in cPanel, step by step. Let's get started. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click the phpMyAdmin. On the left side of this interface, click the database, where you want to import the database file. A window opens on the right side. Different options are available to perform various operations on the database. Go and click the Import option. Some boxes are already checked to complete the import process. You may uncheck them as per your requirements. Either you can drag and drop the file, or you can browse your computer. Let's click the Browse button. It opens a browsing window for the computer. Select the file you want to upload. Click the Open button. Here, it shows the name of the selected file. There is also a limit of 50 megabytes that is enough for this SQL database. Now scroll down and click the Import button. That's it. We have successfully imported the file into the database. Thank you for watching,